Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty, Handmade Dolls and Craft Message Card Pull. I'm just going to pick one card from this trusty dusty deck. This is just like a part of it. And we're going to see what message the universe have for us today. And let's just see, what are the cards going to say? What are the cards going to say today? I don't know why I want to pull this card. Hope it's something good. Oh my God. The card says the answer is in the questions. So what this card means is whatever question you have, the answer is embedded in what it is that you're asking. So let's just say you're asking a question like, oh, what is my purpose? So if the answer is in the question, and therefore I'm saying, what is my purpose? My purpose is, like, what pops in your head right away when you say, my purpose is to share my gifts with the world. Okay, fine. What type of gifts did you want to share with the world? I love telling crazy stories. I am into metaphysics. I want to help people better themselves and live a full and complete life. Okay, what do I want to work on the inside? Do I want to work on the outside? Oh, I see. I'm asking for my purpose. So what are things, like, what do I like? So when we're talking about, if I'm just asking the question, what is my purpose? My purpose is to be happy. My purpose is to share my gifts with the world. And then I start from there answering those questions. So whatever question you have right now, just start asking yourself a series of questions. I get it. The question is, well, let me go back over this card real quick. The answer is in the questions. The answer is in the questions. I get it. So whatever it is you really want to know right now, just start asking yourself a series of questions and answering those questions to yourself. And I would say, if I were you, I would do like a brief meditation, take some deep breaths. Like, one of my favorite breaths, I don't know what you call it, but I like to hold in my breath, count to the 9. Hold it to the count of 9. Let it out to the count of 9. Hold that to the count of 9. And then just rest your mind and see what questions, and just keep asking yourself a series of questions to figure out what it is that what you're really asking. Like, one of the things that people ask me sometimes is, am I going to get married? And I say, do you, like, if they're going to marry a specific person, and I tell them, I say, look, do you want to get married, or do you want to marry the person you're with? Those are two different questions. You may be with a person whom you are very much in love with, but that relationship may not be, that you may not get married to that person, but you can marry somebody, and yes, you will have the title, and yes, you will be married, but will you be happy? Do you know what I'm saying? So sometimes some people ask, is this guy going to propose to me? Am I going to get married? And I'm saying, what is married? You wanting to get married, is that the question that you really want to ask? Or what you really want to know is, which could be, am I going to marry this particular guy? Well, then the question may be, I don't know. Okay, so let's just say this. Then let's just say, do you really want to marry this guy based on how he's treated you, or the fact that you've been with him for this long and he hasn't proposed to you? You just keep on asking yourself questions, and through those questions you will find the answer that you're really looking for. I hope this card inspires somebody today to ask themselves the right question. The answer is in the questions. So keep asking questions until you get to the answer that resonates with your soul. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.